Hi, welcome to updating your firmware on your 22 IDEX. So I'm going to go ahead and run you through the steps today from start to finish to get the newest firmware on your machine. So to start, what I would suggest doing is take the SD card out of the back of your 22 IDEX, plug it into your computer, and make a backup file of the current software that you have, just in case you need to roll it back. As you can see, I have a folder right here with my backup. So here's the folder of the latest firmware. We're going to go ahead and put it right here. As you can see, there are 6 folders. You can go ahead and delete all the files in this folder from your SD card once you do back it up. Now that it's empty, we'll go ahead and copy those files over. Just give it a moment. File's ready to go, so we'll go ahead and eject that and put it into the machine. Once you go ahead and put the micro SD card in the back of your 22 IDEX, you'll go ahead and power the machine on. Once the machine's powered on, you'll come down to the bottom right into your settings, click on your machine, which will now be in access point mode. Great, so now that we are connected to the machine, go ahead and go to your favorite browser. We're going to go ahead and type in 192.168.0.1. That URL will go ahead and allow you to connect directly to your machine from its own Wi-Fi. Once we are in the dashboard, we're going to go ahead and go to console, as we need to make sure the machine updates itself. So you're going to go ahead and type in M997S0:1. Go ahead and send. This command will force your machine to update. Just go ahead and give it a moment. Your machine's going to go ahead and turn off and turn back on. What you're going to be looking for here is that on the back of your machine, there's going to be a blue light blinking where the Wi-Fi module is. When that is a solid blue, you will be good to go and it will have updated itself. Now that that light is blue in the back, I'll go ahead and reconnect to my 22 IDEX. Once you go ahead and reconnect, we're going to go down to machine specific. So if you look right here, Duet 2 Wi-Fi 3.50 beta 4. Duet Wi-Fi server 2.1 beta 4. And if you're getting this video once we have updated the firmware to the 3.50 flat, you'll go ahead and see that as well. So the version of the firmware you could see here is what I'm updating to at the time of shooting this video, but you will see exactly what version you're currently upgrading to. Right after you update your firmware, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure the probe pickup location is correct. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that now. In your dashboard, go ahead and go back over to macros, click calibration, Z probe, and rotate holder to a set degree. Now you're going to notice your probe has flipped over to the pickup position. As you can see, my probe is a little off to the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to rotate clockwise. So go ahead and click adjust pickup angle clockwise. Keep clicking it until it is level. I'm comfortable with that. It looks good to me. So let's go ahead and put the holder back to 0 degree. That's where it's going to typically rest. After that, we're going to go ahead and go over to adjust XY pickup position. Go ahead and click on that. And you're going to see the heads are going to move back. It's going to quickly move over to the pickup location shortly. It'll rotate the probe, perfect, and it'll go back to where we're gonna go ahead and pick up that probe. To me, this looks really good, but I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's moving a little bit. Okay, so I'll go ahead and move it right back. Looking good to me, so after we're done with that, go ahead and click OK. It's going to go ahead and test to make sure what you did was correct. And there you go. Your probe is ready to pick up and you're ready to home your machine.